You know, today the whole drumming world is on Instagram videos. Well-known drummers, not so well-known drummers, but also lots of hobby drummers. And I swipe through these videos and sometimes I just swipe away because within the first 5 seconds there's still nothing happening. No. Tip number 1, immediately start playing. Action, immediate action. Not 5 seconds of introduction or, hey, welcome to me. No, just start playing immediately. Second tip, keep your performance within those 60 seconds. There's a lot of drummers who start playing and then at the end of the Instagram video, they're still playing instead of really having an ending. If you want to get connected to more people watching the clip again, you should have a start, a middle, and an ending. Like a song, an intro, a first verse, a chorus, and a finale. Don't go back to the second verse. It's Instagram, it's 60 seconds. So keep on building to a climax so the people are actually there till the end. Because this is the most difficult thing. You're in the middle of all these other drummers doing their Instagram thing, so you'd better actually get very personal. So don't copy other people, just be yourself. Just do what you have to do. Just play what you think might be interesting for your family members or your followers. Even if it's only your niece and nephew, it doesn't matter. It starts with only 2 people. And then they will be proud and say, hey man, that's cool. I will share this with my friends. That's how things are happening. But again, it should have a start from the beginning, a middle part, and keep on building it towards a climax. And you know what? Another very interesting thing. Sometimes you see Instagram videos, you know, from fashion art, fashion people or whatever, and they're actually promoting stuff all the time. They're always like, yeah, this is the best. And then the next week, you know, wow, this microphone is amazing. And then the next week, there's another Instagram video. You know what? I only play these drum heads because they're amazing. Of course, after a while, you're like, you know what? Whatever. I have different stuff. I'm not interested anymore. Keep it personal, but don't be over-promoting. You know, just play. And check this out. Many of those Instagram viewers or many of your followers are not playing the same brand of drum sets as you are not playing the same type of cymbals. So keep it neutral. The images speak for themselves. And then also very important, in an Instagram video, even people are only watching it on the phone, but some people connect really good headphones to their smartphones or their tablets, and they're really listening to good headphone sounds. And then your Instagram video sounds a little bit less, you know, you're gonna be buried in between all the other ones. But even if you're using just the microphone of your smartphone, try to find a position in your bedroom where it actually sounds nice. And sometimes just putting your smartphone a little bit further from the drum set, like in a corner, it will bring some more low end from the drum set into that small microphone of your smartphone, and your Instagram video will sound nicer. And then, lastly, and to conclude, you know, not many people think about this, but it's nice when you see a drummer actually dressed up for the occasion sometimes. So look nice, look positive. Don't, you know, be there with a very old t-shirt, maybe totally torn off. No, people want to see you. They want to see you shine. So you should inspire them for a positive experience. And sometimes, you know, I do actually think about what t-shirt I'm wearing. So for instance, I won't be wearing a t-shirt which might be very offensive in the Philippines. Or I won't be wearing a t-shirt with a very nasty message, for instance, which might be really funny in Canada or in the US, but in Europe maybe this is something completely different. People take it very offensive. So try to find a t-shirt which is actually funny at the same time, but also which everybody will find very funny. The guy in Japan as well as the guy in Buenos Aires, okay? So, again, number 1, start playing immediately. Number 2, very interesting and very important, be yourself. And number 3, also, you know, take care of your promotion story. Don't promote the things you're playing. Instagram is there to promote yourself a little bit. So be proud of what you do. You don't have to show off what you're using. That's for YouTube. You can go into details a lot over there on that channel. And also, beginning, middle, climax, end. Let's check this out. Instagram video starts now. And you know what? It doesn't have to be 60 seconds. Maybe this is already enough. Go ahead and enjoy Instagram.